Hello everyone, welcome to Engineered. Today we'll be discussing on the subject engineering drawing and particularly from instruments. So let's see. Okay, here are some questions and we need to solve these. So the first one is the edge of the board on which T square is made to slide is called its dash. So options are working edge, straight edge and chisel edge. So to solve this problem, let's see something about this. So the drawing board is rectangular in shape. So we can see this is rectangular in shape and is made of strips of well seasoned soft wood. Remember, soft wood, okay? Otherwise pin can't be fixed. Pin can't be fixed easily. Otherwise, right? Otherwise. Soft wood helps us to easily fix the pin. Okay, and then the thickness is 25 mm thick and it is cleated at the back by two battens. So this is the upside down, this particular batten is the upside down and this is the bottom, and this bottom is cleated by these two battens, here one and here two, these two battens, to prevent what? This is important. So first is well seasoned soft wood is important, and warping is important, and third is thickness is important here. So one of the edges of the board is called working edge. Another important thing is one of the edges of the board is working edge on which where T square is made to slide. So working edge is where T square is made to slide. So this is very important. This is also an important question. So it should therefore be straight. It should be straight, and in some boards this edge is grouped throughout its length, and perfectly straight ebony edge is fitted inside this groove. Another, this provides a true and more durable guide for the T square to slide on. So our answer is here, working edge is where T square is made to slide. Let's go back to the question. Okay. So our answer is working edge, right? So next is to prevent warping of the board, dash are cleated at its back. We have already discussed about this, right? So here we have discussed that it is cleated at the back by two battens to prevent warping. So these battens helps to prevent warping. So let's go back to the question and tick battens. So next question is the two parts of the T square are dash and dash. Let's see about T square. So this is the T square, and the T square is made of hard quality wood. Nowadays let's see here, nowadays T square is available of celluloid and plastic with engraved scale. So previously it was made of hard quality wood, but nowadays it is available in celluloid or plastic with engraved scale. So what are the parts? It consists of two parts. The stock, so here is the stock, this head, right? And then the blade, this is the blade, now the blade joined together at right angles. So these stock and these blades are joined together by at right angle, right? By the means of screws and pins. Here are the screws and pins. Okay. So I think we got the answers, stock and blade, right? So our answer is the two parts of the T square are stock and blade. Okay, next question is D number. This T square is used for drawing. So let's see this. T square is used for drawing. Okay, so you can see here T square is used for drawing horizontal lines, right? Horizontal lines. So this horizontal line can be drawn with T square. And vertical lines, verticals and inclined lines are drawn with what? Set square, right? Set squares. While horizontal lines are drawn with this T square. Again, this is blade, right? And this is stock. And this side is the board. This side of the board is known as working edge, where the stock slides, right? Working edge where the stock slides. And this T square is used for drawing horizontal lines. Look, let's go back to the original question. And right here, the T square is for drawing horizontal lines. Now, next question, angles in multiple of 15 degree are constructed by the combined use of a T square, set square or protector. So angles in multiple of 15 degree are constructed by the combined use of, let's see. So these angles in the multiple of 15 degree are drawn with the help of T square along with the set square. So our answer is T square and set squares. Next question, to draw or measure angles, dash is used. So in order to draw or measure the angles, both we can use what? So you can see here, protractor is made of wood, tin or celluloid. So you can read here, and the protractor is used to measure or draw or measure. You can clearly see here, the protractor is used to draw or measure such angles as cannot be drawn with the set squares, right? So let's go back to the question. So our answer is protractor. So let's move to the next slide. Okay. For drawing large size circles, a dash is attached to the compass. Let's see what. So lengthening bar. Circles of more than 150. So if we want to draw the circles more than 150 mm, we can take use of the lengthening bar, right? So this is the lengthening bar, this particular thing, right? So let's go back to the question, and so our answer is lengthening bar. Circles of small radii are drawn by means of, so small radius, right? Small radius. So small radius, let's see. So small bow compass for drawing small circles and arcs of less than 25 mm radius, and particularly when a large number of small circles of the same diameter are to be drawn, small bow compass is used. So let's go back to the question and take bow compass. So next question is, measurements from the scale to the drawings are transferred with the help of a, so let's see. So how can we transfer the measurements from scale to the drawing? Okay, the dividers are used to divide curved straight lines into desired number of equal parts. To transfer dimensions. So you can see here, to transfer dimensions from one part of the drawing to another part, and third is to set of given distance from the scale to the to set given distance from the scale to the drawing. 3 number. So you can take what? Divider, right? From scale to the drawing. 3 number 3, right? So next is, the scale used should never be used as a dash for drawing straight lines. So let's see. So you can see here, the scale should never be used as a straight edge. So straight edge for drawing lines, right? And this is one important. And another important is, the cardboard scales are available in the set of 8 scales. They are from M1 to M8. This is also important. Let's go back. Okay. So our answer is straight A's. Dash is used for setting of short equal distances. So for short equal distances, let's see. So small bow divider. The small bow divider is adjusted by a knot and very convenient for marking small minute divisions and a large number of short equal distances. So our answer is bow divider. Next is for drawing thin lines of uniform thickness, the pencil should be sharpened in the form of, so for uniform thickness, right? So for the uniform thickness, let's see for the uniform thickness, this one. So there are two different forms of sharpening, right? Conical edge and chisel edge. So this particular figure, this is conical, right? And this is chisel edge. So the conical point is used in sketch work for lettering. With the chisel edge, long thin lines of uniform thickness. So chisel is for lines of uniform thickness, right? And the conical is used for sketch work and lettering. Let's go back to the question. Okay, so our answer is the thin line, uniform thin line, that is chisel edge, right? So next is pencil of dash grade sharpened in the form of dash is used for sketching and lettering. So let's see. So if you see here, what can we say is when H increases, H is hardness, right? So H increases, hardness increases, right? 2H is more harder than H, and 3H is more similarly. And in the case of B, as the B increases, softness also increases. So 2V is more softer than V. So now you can see here that H and HB pencil are more suitable for lettering and dimensioning. For freehand sketching, where considerable erasing is required to be done, soft grade pencils such as HB should be used. So let's go back to the question. So you can see pencil of dash grade sharpened for sketching, right? Sketching, lettering. So we need to while sketching we need to erase also, right? So we need softer kind of pencil. So the first one is soft, and in the form of what? For the sketching and lettering, is conical point. Chisel is for what? Uniform thickness line, right? Uniform thickness lines. Okay, let's see next. So dash are used for drawing curves which cannot be drawn by compass. So first option is bow compass, some protractor and French curves. So let's see. So French curves are made of wood, plastic or celluloid. They are made in various shapes, one of which is shown this one, particular this one. So some set squares have these set curves caught in the middle. French curves are used for drawing curves which cannot be drawn with the compass. So we can see here. Let's go back to the question. And so French curves are used for drawing curves which cannot be drawn by a compass. Next is to remove unnecessary lines, dash is used. So we already know, we don't need any description here, but also let's see. The eraser should be such that not to spoil the surface of the paper. Frequent use of rubbers should be avoided by careful planning. So we can already know about this. So to remove unnecessary lines, eraser is used. Next is uses of the T-square, set square, scale and protractor are combined in the form of. So let's see about this. So the use and advantage of a T-square, set square, scales and the protractors are combined in the form of what? Drafting machine, right? Here is the drafting machine. So let's go back to the, this is a figure of drafting machine, and let's go back to the question. So our answer is drafting machine. Next is circles and arcs of circles are drawn by means of. So circles and arcs of circles are drawn by, let's see, the compass is used for drawing circles and arc of circles. So let's go back to the question. The answer is compass. So again, inking pen is used for drawing ink. Let's see, inking pen. So okay, see, inking pen. This is the figure of the ink pen, and this is arcs ink. So straight lines and non-circular arcs. So let's go back to the question. Straight lines and non-circular arcs. So inking pen is used for drawing straight lines in ink. Next question. Set squares are used for drawing dash and dash lines. So set squares are used for drawing all straight lines except the horizontal lines, which are usually drawn with the T-square. So we have already discussed about this. Set squares are used for vertical and inclined, right? Generally all kind of straight line except the horizontal line. The horizontal line is drawn with the help of T-square, right? Okay. Let's see. Okay, our answer is set square are used for drawing, set square is used for drawing vertical, inclined and parallel lines, but not horizontal lines. Horizontal lines are drawn with the help of T-square. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.